In this video, we are going to give you 3 Pictory coupon codes that'll help you get up to 35% discount on your order. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. But first, we recommend that you go with a yearly plan for Pictory. That way, you can save an extra 15% on your order. Now let's start the video. First up, we have a 10% discount code. This code will provide you a flat 10% discount for lifetime. Simply use this code during checkout and you can save up to $100 depending upon your plan. Next, we have a 15% discount code. This coupon code gets you a whopping 15% discount on your Pictory subscription for life. You can save up to $100 to $120 depending on the plan you choose. And last but not least, we have a 20% discount code. This will give you a flat 20% discount for lifetime. And as we mentioned earlier, you will get an extra 15% discount if you decide to go with the yearly plan, which means that you can save up to 35% on your order with Pictory's yearly plan. And if you are looking for more discount, then make sure to use the first link which is given in the video description. Since we are an affiliate partner with Pictory, we get the latest deals and discounts at the earliest, and we'll link them in the video description. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest promo and coupon codes. Thanks for watching this video.